Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my lunch break today. I'm gonna check out Dollar Tree in Mount Laurel to see what Valentine's Day stuff they have and any new fun stuff. So let's get to it. So we have these cute little wreaths. I used this last year to make some candy bouquet wreaths. Have these love signs and hearts. This fuzzy little gnome. They're really cute. The unicorn, have the kissing booth signs. These are really cute if you want to make a little booth. I made one of those on my previous video. Have these are cute. New, these are $1.25. They'd be mine. This little wooden one. This one's cute with the flowers. Have love meter. These little wooden hearts. This rainbow one is really pretty. Different ones. We even have pet ones for your animal lovers. Cute little gnome, love sign. These ones are cute too. It's like a little shadow box. Hearts and hugs. You and me. Date night one is fun. And this one's cute for the kids. A little kissing booth and it spins. That's adorable. Have these little delivery trucks. Cool. And these are little signs as well. A llama one. Hug, kisses, Valentine wishes. And this one's a chalkboard. And we have a kissing booth sign as well. I use that for my photo shoots. There's a lot of different items to choose from. I have these little gnome ones that are so cute. There's so many different ones to choose from. Be mine. I have two little gnomes kissing. We have the cute little bags and the bigger bags. More of the little socks. And we have some little scarves. Candy, they have these little chocolate stirring spoons so you want to make a little hot cocoa bar. They have the Starburst little Valentine ones. They have the little Russell Stover chocolates. They have the big sugar cookies. They have more of the hearts and little Tootsie Rolls. Conversation hearts. They have a 3-pack of the cotton candy. They got some heart marshmallows, good for hot cocoa or a hot cocoa bar. Strawberry hard candies. Right here we have some Smarties, some of the hot cocoa bombs here. We have some spring crafts, which is really cute. These little bird houses that you can paint. These are really cute, these little wooden signs. The garden sign, little metal bird houses. So really fun stuff for the spring. These little bumblebees, those are cute. And they have ladybugs, so those are wooden pieces for crafting. And they have the little sticky things, so those are really cute. My daughter loves to paint these, so does my son. We just put out some gardening stuff, so we have all these different gardening gloves. And we have the flag holders or the garden fences. We have some of the spray nozzles, a little cultivator, plant clips, and little shovels. So all this stuff here for only $1.25. Way cheaper than anywhere else. And they also have different colored pots, different ones, different sizes. So the cheapest place I've seen to get these. Okay, some more of the candy. We have the chocolate roses. We have the tubs of the cotton candy. We have the 12-pack of lollipops to give to your classmates. They have Sour Patch Kids and Junior Mints, the Haribo Sweet and Sour Hearts. We've got the Krabby Patties, which my kids love. More of the milk chocolates, Kool-Aid ones. We have chocolate covered pretzels, which is a 2-pack, and the chocolate hearts. They even have the little 4-packs of Reese's Hearts. So those are new. I haven't seen them. We have the Hershey Kisses. We have all the stuff to decorate to make your own little Valentine's basket or bouquet or any crafting. These are really cute. They have the little monkey stuffed animals. This little cupcake. They have dinosaurs. They have these little plush gnomes. These are cute. Let's see. They have sponges and more plushies. They have the bigger gnomes here, which are really cute. These are new, like the ones with the little braided hair. They have some bath bombs and smaller bath bombs. This little kit. They have masks, some sleeping masks, nail files. This is a pumice stone. And these ones are makeup sponges, 3 in a pack. We have some picture frames, and they have these cute little candle holders so you can make something to decorate. Look at this little diffuser. I haven't seen these before either. And then these fun masks for the kids. They have Troll, Paw Patrol, Joja Siwa. They have bath bombs too. Oh, and this is like, it's Senate dust, so it's like a little bath bomb, but it's already broken up. And they have these adorable little mailboxes. I like to make little crafts with them. They have some of these little boxes as well. These mailboxes are really cute, and they're pretty deep inside. I have a gnome one. They have these heart tins, which I've done a DIY with them as well. So there's a lot of different ones to choose from. Okay, ribbon and tulle. We have these beaded lace ribbons. This one has beads on it. It's really pretty. We have these different ones. These ones are like soft. They have these wooden signs. They're really pretty. I've done a lot of crafts with them as well. Some more ribbon down here. We have some stickers and lace and flowers. Cute little cupcakes this year. Here's more ribbon. And they have the heart string lights. So they have pink and red. They have small ones and big ones. And over here, these are little light boxes, the wooden ones. We have more of the little clothespin clips. Light strings. They have these little wooden signs so you can make a sign for a welcome sign. With these cute little metal envelopes. I haven't seen those before. It's fun little stones. They have the Valentine's pictures that you can paint for the kids. They even have wind chimes. More of the felt hearts and stickers. These cute little 2-packs. These stickers are nice and big. And then they have the flowers and roses. So I hope you liked my video. They had so many cute things in there. I really didn't have enough money to buy everything I wanted. I got these cute little decor to make some decorations. I got the hearts. I got this for my daughter. She's gonna love it. It lights up and you can paint it. Got the 2-packs so my son and her both have one. They have this little chocolate heart. They have this little gnome one. I got one of these hearts again. And I got that cute little booth, kissing booth sign for $1. I really hope you liked my video. I'm gonna have to check out another one because there's just so many options. So many ideas come to mind when you're at a Dollar Tree of what kind of crafts you want to make, and I just ran out of time on my lunch break. But I really hope you liked my video. Go check it out. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you can see my new video when it comes out. Have a great day. Thank you guys.